Alright, so here we go. We got all the plates out. I'm just going to put these washers in. So the flat one goes in at the very back. And then the one that's tapered goes in second. Got the smaller friction plate. We got a metal plate, sharp edge outward. And then a regular friction plate. Metal plate. Friction. Metal plate. Friction. Metal plate. Friction. Metal plate. Then we go metal plate. And then we go back to the smaller friction plate. And then the plate that's specific to this bike. And then obviously a smaller friction plate. And we'll put all this together. So we got that on there. There's no space, right? It's all tight on there. Got all the pressure plate, the springs, and the screw, and the black little caps in there. And now I'm going to take my trusty beam style torque wrench. Okay. Alright, so that's all on there. Now I gotta angle this guy and put the cover back on. I have the gasket on here, all that good stuff. Just gonna try and line up this clutch cable arm with the little dot in the arrow that's on the side there. Alright, so got this back on. This is pretty much all lined up. And yeah, I guess I'll just put the cover back on. And again, as I push this in, this is not disengaging the gear. So I can't change gears. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to start the engine first to re-engage the clutch or something like that, but I'm gonna put the cover back on, see what happens. All right, there we go. It's all put back together. Let's see how this works. All right, I'm gonna start in neutral. It's obviously not gonna allow me to change gears, so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. Yep, there you go. Please help.